LG Refrigerator Craft Ice. If the Craft Ice Icemaker is not making ice, check the power switch on the Icemaker. Make sure it is in the on position. If the Icemaker is off, turn it on and wait 18 to 30 hours for the first batch of ice to be produced. It may take from 24 to 48 hours to see the first batch of Craft Ice. If the Icemaker is turned on but is not producing ice, reset the Icemaker. Turn the power switch on the Icemaker to off, then back to on. If the Icemaker is still not producing ice, use the test mode to check the Icemaker operation. Before starting the test mode, remove the ice bin and place a shallow bowl under the Icemaker to catch any water. If the Icemaker is still not producing ice, use the test mode to check the Icemaker operation. Press and hold the test button for 3 seconds to force the ice making process to reset. In the test mode, the Icemaker will run through 3 stages step by step: water supply, ice making, harvest. After the test mode is complete, remove the bowl and reinstall the ice bin. Make sure to place the ice bin correctly within the guides, or the Icemaker may think the bin is full and stop producing ice. The ice bin should be positioned within the guide so it is directly under the Icemaker and the cutout is facing toward the back. If the Icemaker is still not producing ice, call for service.